What's happening? In this video, you're going to learn about some alien technology that has been pretty much doing most of the copywriting for us, and it is freaky, crazy, accurate, and really good. This is our new favorite toy. We want you to know we've definitely been kind of hiding it for a little bit, but that was with good intention. Don't worry. We wanted to show you exactly, now we're going to show you exactly what the tool is and also how we use this tool to not only start having it create some really amazing copy, all using this alien technology, AI. And then we take it through a simple process, a 3-step process that helps us basically mold this copy into something that we want. And then you're off and running. So this is your 80-20, maybe even your 90-10 if you think about copywriting. It's going to give you everything you need to hit the road running and actually creating copy. No more blinking cursor, blank page of death that no one likes. I want to show you exactly what this is. The tool is called conversion.ai. Ooh. So you can see right here, this thing is basically AI generated copy, but it's actually good. It's freaky good. So first time Matt and I were using this in our team, we were just freaking out. Like it's that good. It can create everything from long form, writing blog posts and all that to a very persuasive type of writing, the AIDA framework, which is what I'm going to be using to write an email. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to show you how to do that. But check out all this stuff. It improves your content. You can do product descriptions, blog posts, topic ideas, outlines, sentence expanders, explain it to a child, talk simple, creating simple, creative stories, Facebook, Google ad copy, Amazon copy, perfect headlines, Instagram captions, marketing angles, persuasive bullet points. These are all really cool. YouTube stuff all around. I mean, you can go all the way down to email subject lines. It can help you with your SEO and figuring out your meta descriptions, blog post titles, all this stuff. There is a lot of things. There's wacky stuff in here. So, but what I'm going to focus on here is this AIDA framework and actually show you how we have been writing our emails. So let me just walk you through briefly of what you do with conversion.ai. So it's going to basically create all this copy for you, this content for you. But what it's going to do is just prompt you on a couple of different things. And it's not much. You don't need to feed the machine much. And it will actually kind of do its own machine algorithm stuff in the background. Totally techie terms that you don't need to worry about. All you need to worry about is filling out a couple boxes on the left-hand side. So in this example, I'm actually writing an email about conversion.ai, duh. So what I've done is put in their company name right here. And then down here for the product description, all I did was just went to conversion.ai, that's right over here, and I pulled a bunch of bits of copy that are just on their website, and it wasn't much actually. So if we go over here, it's just 4 lines of copy. And what I did is I put the tone of voice, funny, why not? But you could put witty, angry, stern. I mean, you could just go crazy. So it actually changes the tone of how it writes these sentences based on what you're putting there. Pretty wacky. And then the only other thing I need to do is just change the inputs. I have 3 outputs. I have 3 outputs. So all that means is every time I hit this blue button to generate AI content, it's going to give me 3 different options on the right-hand side. So you can see based off of what I wrote here, it gave me a nice headline, a nice attention-grabbing headline, also an interest kind of copy, body of copy, and then a desire phase on the bottom, and then a call to action. And what it did is it gave me 3 different options. Now, you could basically keep hitting this blue button until your eyes bleed. You probably don't need to do that because typically the first 3 or maybe a couple more are going to give you everything you need. Now, this is not where we stop. We want to leverage computers and, AI and alien technology, but we don't want to stop there. We still want our voice. We want the Matt and Joe show wrapped up into all of our content. So what we do is we take it a step further, and this is where our hands kind of finally touch the keyboard a little bit more. We go and open up a Google Doc, and we have 3 steps that I'll show you right now. So step 1 is simply just bolding the best copy that you see on screen that conversion.ai gave to you. So pretty simple. All I did here, I'm not going to read it all word for word now. You can if you wish. But all we did is we just bolded the copy that just stood out to us, and it helped us kind of come up with some ideas. This really gives you, it gets your mind spinning, and then it gets your mind to kind of connect the dots and maybe wrap in some unique thing that you would normally say, something in your tone of voice. But all we're doing in this first step is going through the 1, 2, 3 chunks of content and then paring it down into the best copy that we like and just bolding it. So now step 2 is we distill those down into basically a simple bulleted list here. So all we did is we took the bolded areas on top and put it inside some bullet points that we can kind of follow down here. So I'll just read what it came out with right here. So attention, this is the grabbing statement. If you're looking for a copywriter, we've got you covered. So now moving on to interest. It can write anything from ads to blog posts and even entire websites, all with a human touch. Conversion.ai is the world's first AI-powered copywriting service that uses machine learning to write high-converting copy in seconds. We'll even help with the tone of voice, so it sounds just right for your brand. Now going on to desire down here. You don't have to worry about coming up with fresh ideas or hiring expensive writers. You can use it on any platform, Facebook ads, Google AdWords, Amazon listings, and more. And all you have to do is upload your text and we will provide a draft of your content within minutes. And now the CTA, the call to action at the bottom, is sign up for a free trial of conversion.ai. Pretty simple. So now in step 3, all we got to do is slap some style on it. So step 3, let me read this bad boy for you. If you're looking for a copywriter, don't. Copywriting is one of the most valuable but most difficult skills that there is in marketing. It can take years for people to master it, but it can take machines only seconds. Conversion.ai is the world's first AI-powered copywriting service that uses machine learning to write high-converting copy in seconds. It can write anything from ads to blog posts and even entire websites, all with a human touch. You can even choose a tone of voice that fits your brand so it sounds like you. And you don't have to worry about coming up with those fresh ideas or hiring expensive copywriters or writers. This affordable tool lets you generate unlimited copy for all sorts of cases like Facebook and Google ads, emails, landing pages, social media posts, SEO-friendly blog posts. Really, you can use it for just about anything that requires compelling copy. All you have to do is upload some basic info and it will provide as many drafts as you want within seconds. Sign up for a free trial of conversion.ai and try it for yourself. Pretty dang simple. And that was all, I mean, you could see how fast it was to actually generate these. I mean, I didn't hit the button in front of you, but legitimately it takes about 5 seconds, 10 seconds max to generate every single output you're seeing here. I mean, it's, or a bulk of these outputs. So it is wild. This tool is freaking phenomenal. I highly suggest that you at least sign up for a trial. So this is some crazy stuff. I mean, we have never experienced a tool like this, not in marketing, not with copywriting. I mean, copy has been such a tough thing for so many people to learn. You should see the amount of books that Matt has. We both have. I just like to make fun of Matt with all his books. He's so smart. But there's so many copywriting things and lessons and courses you have to learn. But if you just know the basics, again, the 80-20, learn the principles, read some of the timeless books out there like Breakthrough Advertising and listen to the podcast, the copywriting episodes, and then use conversion.ai to actually do the grunt work for you, the 80 to 90% of the writing, and then you're off on your way to just use our 3-step simple formula here, just bolding, and then all you got to do is distill it down into the words that you liked, that the computer generated for you, and then just slap some of your own style on there and just fill in the gaps. Just format it into a way that makes sense and then throw it out there. You have yourself an email that's actually a persuasive email now. And again, you could use this for driving traffic on, from your website or to your website from Facebook, Google, or wherever, creating blog posts, creating emails like I just showed you here, creating a full sales page. You can do it all with conversion.ai, and you should sign up for that trial right now while it's still available. You're going to love it. Please let us know what you think of it, and I want to see some of the copy it generates for you as well, all right? So click the button wherever it is right below this video. It's going to hook you up with that trial. Let us know if you have any questions at all. I want to see what you create, and I hope to see you pretty soon talking about conversion.ai and how it's been so damn cool for you. All right, see you. Click the link. It's right there. It's just there or there. Just click that link. You want AI. Don't worry. I don't think the Terminators are coming. It's not like Armageddon Day or anything. It's just it's just computers and alien technology like this helping you out just to write some copy so you make more sales, drive more traffic, grow a list, have more fun, save a lot of time. Click the link. Go sign up for a trial. You're going to love it. Do it.